Okay, today is January the 1st, 2020. Had a big rain last night and yesterday, and the pond filled up. Turn this thing sideways here. Pond filled up. Now notice that it's below the inlet level, and yet, hope this phone picks up the noise. Can you hear this? Sounds like Niagara Falls, and what's happening, the water is entering in the many holes along the west bank, going down to the bottom of the dam where the 54-inch RCP is, and entering in multiple joints along the RCP as it goes across Collins Boulevard. Anyway, just wanted to take this video so you can hear how much water is rushing in there. It's not a slow leak. It's a tons and tons of water is exiting the pond right now.